Now, I have to explain you the targeted group of students for this career assured program. Here, students are graduates. It makes no difference for this program. Here, we are targeting engineering students or graduates of any stream or any other graduates of computer stream like BCA, MCA, BSc Computer Science, etc. and all that. Yeah, this is a true zero-based system. We don't expect any college-oriented background. This is purely employability training. Employability training means we are focusing on knowledge, skills and abilities. That's why any engineering student or graduate or any other graduate of computer stream may undergo this career assured training. Thereafter, what are the contents of this training? That is very important. Now you see, we are providing you the first of its kind in the world C, C++ and Core Java. We have integrated the three languages as one course. What is the benefit by integration? If you think, you can save 40% of the study time. First one is you can save 40% of that study time, and second one is psychologically you can feel as one course. You never feel these are three different courses. What is the logic behind it? I tell you how it is possible. Suppose this is the C language, this is C++ language, this is Core Java. See, these are not independent languages. C++ is a better C. Core Java is a better C and C++. There is a lot of commonality among the languages. If you study them as an integrated program and if you are able to maintain compartmentalism, then you can save minimum 40% of the time. And for the graduates or students who are preparing for the placement, this is the very ideal model. That's why you can save a lot of time. At the same time, you can master three languages, and apart from that, you can understand the evolution. What is the advantage of one language over the predecessor? You can understand practically. Practical, that is very, very important, not theoretically. Practically understand. There are n number of benefits out of that. Then that is the first course what we are offering. The second one is quantitative aptitude skills. Actually, quantitative aptitude skills are very much required for every programmer. The basic reason is the quantitative skills. They include arithmetical skills, logical skills and domain oriented skills also. In the 35 topics, we focus on them. The quantitative skills act like a string in the garland. Actually, by studying programming languages, you can collect different types of flowers, but your client wants a garland. This quantitative skills provides you a string. So, using string only, you can frame a garland. Whatever garland your client asks and all that, you can provide. So, quantitative skills are very, very core for every programmer. Why? Just I give a simple example. You are neither a dentist nor a cardiologist. If you are a dentist, only dental patients will come. If you are a cardiologist, only heart patients will come. In the medical science, there are different specialized branches. They deal with the specific domain. But if you are a programmer, the type of classification is not there. Once you start your practice as a software developer, any type of client may come. He may run a hotel, he may run a hospital, he may run a college, he may run a transport business, he may be a share broker, or he may be a chartered accountant. Any type of client may come to you. The first and foremost important job is to understand his domain. It is really a challenging task. Actually, you go to hotel for eating, you never know that how hotel is managed. You go to hospital for treatment, you never know how a hospital is managed. So you use transport service, how transport services are managed you never know. So in order to develop a software on that domain, on that business, the first and prerequisite step is you must understand the business thoroughly. You see, like in examination, understanding question thoroughly before answering. So by studying quantity aptitude, different topics, you can understand different domains like banker discount, true discount, net present value, compound interest. All these areas are new to you. Then if you study these concepts and all that, not only understanding business domains, you can improve your arithmetical and logical skills. These are very, very important for a programmer, software programmer. That's why this we have included as one of the topics. And third one, OCAJP certification. This is optional. If you are interested to get this one, you may focus on that. After this course is completed, just if you specially study 20 days, I give you 100% assurance to get this certification in the first attempt. What is the difference between local university certifications and international certification? There is a great difference. Actually, in the international certifications, mainly they focus on 3 points. One is presence of mind, conceptual command. Second one is presence of mind. Third one is IQ. Actually, in your college examination and all that, your questions are direct. Most questions are direct, and simply as soon as within a seconds you can understand the question and start answering it. But in international certifications, you may spend all the time for understanding question itself. No question is direct. When you have perfect conceptual command, you can understand the question. Conceptual command, presence of mind. Even though if you have good command over the concept, if you don't have presence of mind, it does not strike to you timely. Third one is IQ. You never get a lot of material to work out and all that. You have to calculate in your brain and answer. So in order to test these personal qualities of this is the excellent domain. Write international certification. First certification is very difficult for anybody, but thereafter you will be tuned up for this n number of certifications you can get. We are giving complete support for this international certification. Because of this international certification, you will be unique. Out of thousands of students, you will be unique. Any employer receives applications, only your application may annex this certification. That's why you will be 100% called. If you genuinely get this certification with your sincere effort, definitely you can face the interview, and ultimately you will be in a position to choose your employer. Employment is not the mercy of anybody. Employers are in dire need of getting industry ready programmers. That's why if you have these skills and all that, you will be selected anywhere. You can choose best one among them. That position you can enjoy. So this is such a way useful. So this is totally an integrated program, and this entire program is divided into 12 modules. 12 modules, and each module average basis 10 days time is given. For a IT career aspirant, that much hard work they have to do. We are not expecting 24 hours of work and all that. Just 1/3 of its time, 8 hours quality work is required, and then definitely you can complete this program, and we provide you a platform, that is Academia placement platform, through which you need not apply for any job. We see that employers will call you, and thereafter you will be 100% selected and you choose your employer. That type of status you can get after completion of this course.